Hey everybody, in this video series, I'm going through every free widget in the Elementor theme and page builder. I believe Elementor is the best page builder on the market, and I use it in my full-time job and in my freelancing. If you want to download Elementor, free or paid, visit the link in the description of this video. It is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to buy Elementor from my link, thank you for supporting the channel. Then make sure to come back here to learn more about Elementor, Divi, and other web design tools on this YouTube channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. In this video, we're doing a deep dive on the divider widget in the free version of Elementor. To get started, I'm going to go to this left sidebar and grab this divider widget and drag it over anywhere on this section. Now I'm going to go over every option on this left sidebar, but first I'm going to go to Style and make this white, just so it's a little easier to see. I'm going to change the weight just to 3 so that we can see it a little better, and this gap is fine. This is how much of a gap is on either side of this line. I'm going to keep this at 0. Now back to content. First we have our style. So as you can see, it's a solid line right now. There are clearly a lot of options, so I'll go through a couple. We have our double line, dashed line, curly line, slashes, a square, wavy line, zigzag line. We have half circles, leaves, we have an X, and then we have a zigzags. And let's go back up to solid. We can change the width of this. So you can see the width is changing right now, and we can change the alignment to middle, right, or left. We can also add some text in the middle. So now it says divider right here. We can change this to say Nathan Mins. And then if we go in style, we can see this new text option, and we can change this to white as well. We can change the typography however we'd like, maybe to this font. And we can change the size of this. We can also change where it is, so it can be in the middle of the line, on the left or right of the line. And then we can change how much spacing there is from the line. We can also do the same thing with icons. So we can choose a new icon. Let's say we want the subway icon. And then if we go to style, we'll see this new option with icon. We can see it stacked like this or framed. We'll go back to default and we'll change the size of this icon, and we will make it white. Again, we can change the spacing from the line, and we can rotate it if we'd like. If we want to make it stacked, then we can see that now it's all white. So let's make this one dark blue. You can also just click right here and see that dark blue. And then same thing with all of these options, but the border radius is new. So we can add a border here to make it rounded or just a circle. We can also change the padding that is around the icon. And now we have a divider with an icon or text in the middle. Just don't forget to hit update and check tablet and mobile. If you have any other questions, leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. If you want to learn more about Elementor, click the links in the description, and you'll also love this custom playlist I've put together just for you that puts together all of the videos in this series, each one taking a deep dive on each free widget in Elementor. Thanks for watching.